Hi, it's Mr. Kane here, and we're going to look at the whole thing, the circulatory system, just sort of summarise what we've been looking at so far. So, what exactly is this circulatory system? So, it's what's carrying the blood and all the stuff that's dissolved in the blood all around us, to and from the different places it needs to be, where it comes in, where it's got to go out, where it's needed in the body. The heart's the pump part of that circulatory system, so it's sort of the pushing things around, the pump in the system, and all the stuff that's part is pumping, the fluid, the blood, is travelling around the pipes, the blood vessels. So the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood itself make up what we call the circulatory system. That whole system that's getting all the things that we need where we need to have it, and get rid of the stuff that we don't need to have. So it's a double circulatory system, so that means it's got two parts. So here's our system here. We've got the right side that deals with deoxygenated blood, and the other side that deals with oxygenated blood. So the right side is this side of the heart here, and it's basically sending it to the lungs. So that's the right side of the system, and the left side of the system is this bit here, and that's sending it all to the whole of the body. That's why the walls of the heart on this side are much thicker than the walls of the heart on this side. So that's the two parts of the system. Now you notice it talks about deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. I'm sure that pretty much every diagram you've seen so far shows that the deoxygenated side, they put that in blue, and the oxygenated side, they put that in red. Now, blood is red. Red, nothing else but red. Oxygenated blood is really bright red. Deoxygenated blood is dark red. More like what's shown in the heart diagram. So dark red for deoxygenated, bright Ferrari red for oxygenated blood. Maybe the blue stuff comes from when you look at your arm or other places you've got thin skin, you can sort of see blue lines in it that mark the veins. It's only looking blue because of the colour absorption from your muscles and skin, that's the light's coming through. Blood is red. So how does the system work? So here it is all in front of us. So the right side is simply sending it to the lungs. It's collecting it from everywhere else. So the right side's going to the lungs, that's where it's going to, but everywhere else, so the head and the arms, liver, digestive system, kidneys, legs, it's all feeding into the mega vein, the vena cava, coming into the heart. The other side, the left side, it's only coming from the lungs. It's the only place it's coming from. Okay, and it's all going out through the aorta. That's our mega pipe coming out of the heart. It's about the same diameter as your thumb, and it's all heading out, and it's going up to the head and the arms and going to all the other places in your body. Once again, that's why this side of the heart is much more muscly than the other side. So that's where it's all going. Okay, this is another sort of basically the same diagram, but with a probably a more correctly drawn heart in the middle of it here, and we've got what the capillary beds for your head, for your arms, lungs, digestive organs, kidneys, and so on. So that's where the blood flows around the system. The right side is collecting it from where it's been used in the body, used in the head and the arms, coming into the heart, and then it's going out to the lungs. So that's the right hand side of the system. Did I say left? I got myself confused. My apologies. And then the left side is dealing with the oxygenated stuff that's coming from the lungs and then being pushed out through the big aorta pipe here and going up to the head and the arms and down to everywhere else. So that's your circulatory system. So hopefully that's been summarised okay. Just remember, the heart's the pump, the arteries, veins and capillaries are the pipes, and the blood's what's flowing into it, and blood's red. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.